Hi guys, I'm trying to do the review of Tuesday. I want to do it pretty quick. I don't want to spend too much time seeing on this. For Tuesday, I saw in my 4-hour charts that there was a big opportunity for going long, but as we can see, we didn't exactly break our structure right here, and even the 4-hour charts like was going up and didn't finish the next candle. I couldn't exactly make this like a rule. At first, I should start to see on 30-minute chart. Here on 30-minute chart, as you can see, at first we have got like the break of structure right here. We have got like a top, a down, or a lower, top down, and this top right here is above. Is down to this top. Is lower to this top, and this low here is lower is above to this low. This low is lower than this, and as we can see, we was like in a downtrend. Here on the downtrend, I make my first operation, which was a loss. We losing this operation. I was facing like this. I made like my operation right here. Well, you can see here we have got like a fair value gap, and I use this fair value gap to try to catch my move. And as you can see, we didn't catch the whole move because it would like be at least like a 104, and 104 we didn't catch it like it could exactly happen. I don't know, maybe I'm seeing the wrong move. On Tuesday was not exactly this move. Sorry for this mistake, but the operation was exactly here. Here we have got like the first operation. That's right. Here, that's right. I was expecting Tuesday, Monday, Tuesday, 15th, and change it. I need 104. 104. We got a loss right here because, as you can see, we have got like two big candles going to one direction on 30 minutes, and you can see that we didn't make our movement exactly on 30 minutes, but on the 30 minutes was against us. And here on 5 minutes, as you can see, we made our first operation on this area. We make our first operation right here with our stop loss above this candle, and here we make our first operation. Our first operation hit stop loss. Of course, hit stop loss. At first it goes up and then goes down. If the chart will go down at first, we should make like our first win, but it was a loss. It is what it is. And then we got another movement when we saw a big candle, a big green candle going up, of course, and we got like a fair value gap exactly on that big candle. This fair value gap helped us to make this beautiful operation that was like a huge movement until to have a take profit. And here on 5 minutes we should get like it pretty quick, exactly pretty quick, seeing that this was like the candle that we should put our stop loss, and we should make at least 104.5, 104.5, and I'm here 104.5, exactly here. As you can see here, we should make our first win. This is our first win, and 4.5 our risk reward. And here on 10 minutes, as you can see, at first, that's it, we make our first operation, calling that we should make, as you can see, at first we got like a huge movement down and breaking this structure. I'm going to cross some line right here, this line, as you can see, broke the structure. We have got like going down, make it like some top, and we broke this down, this lows, and we should expect like the charts even going even more down. But that happened that we got after that, and we make the fair value gap exactly on this big candle that happened. As you can see, this candle is like maybe equal to this, but I didn't got this at the moment. And as you can see, the movement starts to go against me and stop me out. And here got my stop. And at first, the first operation of the day was on red, and after I wait, and happened a miracle. This green big candle that was exactly going up, even with some break of structure. As you can see, at first we have got like here the top and lows, lows, higher lows. This low is higher than these lows, and we should expect that the another top would be higher than this top, and happen usually because of this green candle. And we have got like here our fair value gap, and we should expect to make another higher lowers to consolidate our uptrend, and happen beautifully, as you can see right here, and start to go down like hell, and happen exactly this. As you can see, my take profit was pretty was too far, and I expect that the chart or the price should be or could be returned, could be back at this fair value gap right here, and I make another operation. This operation was a big mistake that I made, because this operation makes me think that I was like reducing my risk, but as you can see, I was not reducing my risk. I was otherwise increasing my risk, because I should make operation like this. I should put my stop loss above this candle right here, and this will make me like think that I should at least take the profit around this area to get 104.5. It's pretty far, as you can see. I was thinking that the market already got a lot to my direction, and I was only on the middle of the target that I was aiming as a value. And to increase that, to reach far well, to reach pretty quick, I increased the lot size to get like one single movement to my direction and already take the profit, even didn't reaching this far take profit that I made at first. And this was a big mistake that I made, but happened that the movement was on my direction, and when I realized it, the mistake I took to myself, I realized that I was not exactly aiming no more to have like a beautiful operation, following my rules, following everything I've planned. I was like searching for money. I was like going behind the money. I was like trying to run back of the money, and it was not exactly a smart movement that I made. And here, as you can see, the market comes down. I enter exactly here. Didn't took exactly on my fair value gap, was kind of above. I accept again this increase of risks, and was like a stupid movement. Here on this candle, I decided to close the operation and start to think more about what the shit I'm doing exactly on the market. That was my Thursday operation. Was one loss and three wins. and I think was that at Monday I got like 4 wins, and Tuesday I got 3 wins and 1 loss. Every day I make 4 operations, it all with this, like um, taking part of my risks, like dividing my risk at the four operation. Each operation costs me at least $1. I'm trading on some on accounts that I'm not exactly aiming to get some money. I'm not aiming exactly. I'm aiming only to be consistent in this account at least 1 month, and after that I'm going to move to a bigger account because I proved to myself that I can be consistent with real money. I'm only proving to myself because I've been consistent like for 29 days or 29 days already, as you can see right here. 29 days. I've been consistent for 29 days, and man, it's been grateful for me because like I'm not searching no more. I'm not trying to catch no more the money. I'm not trying to make money, like forcing to get money. I'm not doing none of that. I'm only focusing on get the shit well done. Get the shit well done. Doing everything right. Not doing shit, and it's been grateful for me. It's been amazing for me. And I know that everybody can be consistent in the market, can be consistent in every area of the life. Because to be consistent only depends of the way that you define to yourself how what is exactly which means consistency, which what means consistency. And I think that when you realize that consistency for yourself means something, you have to put this thing to your mind and start to go behind that, because consistency at first for me means that you should make money every day on the market. This isn't consistency, because even the more consistent trader in the world have losses. Even the most profitable trader in the world have losses. Why I'm thinking that I will be the one that will not have a single lose day, a single losing day? No, this will not happen to none of us will not happen. And we have to redefine to ourselves what means consistency. This will change, of course, your life. If you define well what consistency is, you already gonna become consistency overnight. I'm telling you, I became consistency. Of course, I've been like a training study, like for 3 years already, for 3 years, but I got my consistency only by understanding what consistency is. And everybody can be consistent, of course. Everybody can be consistent. And in the market, when you are winning, you are consistent, as I already said. Because when you are winning, you follow your rule, you follow your plan. When you make money, you get out of the market. Even on your like your week, your winning streak, at least on a week. When you have a week winning streak, you become so consistent day after day. But when it reverts and come the losing the losing streak, at least on maybe only 3 days, you start to mess up, start to do shit. That's why I think everybody can be consistent, and every trader already are consistent. But not exactly every trader, but the majority of the traders are already consistent, but they not know, they aren't aware of it, they aren't consistent. If you are not aware about your consistency, you start to you start to behave like a beginner day trader. No, if you are already like aware of your consistency, when you got losing day or a winning day, you stop, because you say to yourself, I'm a professional day trader, I'm doing this professionally, I'm not like kidding, I'm not like enjoying only, I'm doing it like my career. And when you do it like your career, you start to like taking this shit serious. That's why I think that everybody is already consistent, but they they must exactly know what consistency is for them, and this will change the whole point of view they have about themselves. They have about themselves. They have about all of themselves. I don't really know if I spoke like very well, but I think it's enough for today. I'm trying to make another video for another day, and I hope you stay safe, stay well, and keep consistent.